go.
Hi, I'm Evelyn, and I'd like to give my testimonial today about the neuropathy treatment. When I came here, my balance was terrible. I was having trouble keeping my balance. My feet ached, they were swelling. It felt like rocks were rolling under my feet, and I just didn't feel very good. But today, after 90 days, I can truly say 100% improvement. My balance is fantastic. The feeling under my toes are pretty much gone, and now I'm down to doing treatments only once a day, and I feel fantastic, and I can't thank these guys enough. I can't thank them enough.
What would you say to someone who's considering starting our program?
I would say good choice. Fantastic choice. I'm glad I came when I did. I didn't let it get any worse, and I thank God for that, because by looking at the charts and stuff, it was only going to get worse. So I'm glad I came in when I did, and after 90 days, I feel so much better.